everyone, the word of the day is candor. Let's have a look at the meaning of this new word, that is candor. The meaning of candor is quality of being honest and telling the truth, especially about a difficult or embarrassing subject, or openness honestly and sincerity. For example, if you want to be a great businessman, you will have to convince people you speak with candor so they will always trust you. Now let's have a look at some more example sentences. Her candor is very pleasing feature. That's why everyone admires her. To maintain any relationship requires commitment and candor. They gave it to us with candor, an everlasting love which touched my heart. We find it hard to have conversations with people who lack candor because they cannot be open with us. Thank you for your candor because you never disclose any of my secret. That's why you are my devoted friend. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, then please like, comment, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel.